Del here with Matt, and we're going to be tasting Salmon Bites.
Yep.
So I don't really need a fork for this, and I'm pretty sure it's going to get inhaled, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to love it.
Might be hot though, watch out.
Yep. Yeah, I'm a very big fan of salmon,
See
so
the steam coming out.
get some of this cocktail
So
sauce
it's in the
on
shape
it.
of a fish.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like salmon.
There's sauces
No way.
if you want. There's soy sauce and there's cocktail sauce if you want it. Dill's running low on his. He's almost finished already.
Just a little
Is
dollop.
it too hot? Good temp?
I don't know. I better take another bite to make sure it's not too hot. Show us the package so we can show them.
Yeah, happy trails.
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I'll eat all kinds of fish, so this is nothing new for me.
Package looks like.
Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Gluten free, dairy and egg free. 22 grams of protein, and a source of omega-33. So there it is. 6 of them to a package. That's what it looks like.
Yeah, very appetizing, very filling. Yeah, this could be a dinner for me.
So we gotta
Or
thank
maybe a side.
Blue Circle for the happy fish.
There's it has blue circle. Delineates their favorite things. They say all good stuff, and they say no bad stuff. Blue circle. There's the logo right there. And
Yeah, fish is a very, very popular item around the world, especially salmon here in the U.S.
yeah, this is outstanding. This is really terrific.
It's a quick, easy snack, you know.
Doesn't take long, and there's different ways. You can put it in the frying pan. You can put it in the, what is that, a pressure cooker there?
Air fryer.
Air fryer. So,
So if you wake up late for work, and you gotta
wake up late and you got to have something almost immediately. Right here.
you're eating them on the way to work,
Eat them on the way.
put them in the pound.
Yeah, very good. I'd give that a 8.5 out of 10.
Wow. What about Del?
I'm
Give
kind
a
of
number.
reluctant to do the numbers
Give
thing,
a
but
number.
this is right up there. It's everything good, and it's I don't see anything about it that's not so good. So
Yeah, good savory flavor. Pair it with
Yeah.
your favorite condiment or sauce.
right. So there it is.
Of
Blue
course, you
circle.
can. We got a soy sauce you could probably try out there. But yeah. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, everybody. 471 subscribers.
Woof, woof.